Hi, I'm Mike Crosby, Service Manager here at Windsor Mazda. Today we're going to go over the do's and don'ts when your car overheats. It's at the end of a long day. You just want to go home, get something to eat, and just rest. The engine starts to smoke, and all of a sudden the engine light comes on. The coolant light goes straight into the red. What do? At Windsor Mazda, we have suggestions for what to do when your engine overheats. The first and foremost thing to do is don't panic. Overheated engines can happen for a lot of reasons, chief ones being low oil or coolant. The best way to prevent an overheated engine is to regularly maintain the fluids. Check the engine oil, have your mechanic keep an eye on the coolant also. So what should you do if your engine overheats? First, turn off the air conditioner and turn the heat on. While it seems counterintuitive, this will help you protect your engine as you won't have to do a lot of work. Second, move to the side of the road as safely as you can. Getting your vehicle off the road will keep you and your vehicle safe. Once on the side of the road, turn off the engine and let it sit for at least 15 minutes. Are there things you should not do? Yes, plenty. Said earlier, the most important thing to do is not panic. Secondly, don't keep driving. This will wind up causing a lot more problems, including serious engine problems. Third, don't open the hood immediately if your vehicle is steaming or the white smoke. You can wind up burning yourself if you open the hood too soon. Fourth, don't ignore the situation. It will only get worse. The best thing to do is bring your vehicle down here to Windsor Mazda, let our certified technicians look at your vehicle, see what is wrong. We will make certain that you are soon safely back on the road. Thank you for watching.